Hi everyone. In this video, I will explain how to avoid the problem of the plagiarism. So you all know that what is plagiarism. So when we write a research paper and take the content or text from someone else research paper and keep the same as it is, so that is called the plagiarism. So which should not be done. Okay. So ethically, it is not permitted, therefore we have to write on our own. So to write on our own, we how we proceed. So let us understand in this video. So for example, this is the text that I have taken from some web page. Let us understand how to rewrite this to avoid the plagiarism. Let me read the text that I have taken from the web page. So diabetes is a condition that happens when your blood sugar is too high. It develops when your pancreas doesn't make enough insulin or any at all, or when your body is not responding to the effects of insulin properly. Diabetes affects people of all ages. Most forms of diabetes are chronic, and all forms are manageable with medications and our lifestyle changes. Now we are going to write this in our own words. So that's why um, I have taken few keywords from this text. So whenever you take copy the text from the articles of others, so you have to first extract the keywords from those from that particular paragraph or the content that you have copied. So that is the first step that you have to done, that you have to take the keywords. For example, see here I have taken keywords like diabetes, blood sugar, pancreas, insulin effects, all ages, chronic, medication. So now we are going to write in our own words, so by using these keywords. So first we are going to write about the diabetes. Okay, diabetes is a metabolic disorder. It is a metabolic disorder. It is a metabolic disorder. So now we are going to connect this blood diabetes with the blood sugar. Okay, diabetes is a metabolic disorder. um, okay, that causes high that causes high blood that causes high blood sugar. Okay, or high levels of blood sugar, high levels of blood sugar in individuals. Okay, this is one sentence. So it's a complex sentence, since we have used relative clause here, so it has become a complex sentence. Okay, so next we have to write about the pancreas. So that is very important. Okay, so the next keyword is the pancreas. Now we are going to write about the pancreas. Pancreas is an important endocrine gland, and secretes is the hormones such as insulin and glucagon. So now we have written we have used the word pancreas, the keyword, and we have written about the pancreas by using a compound sentence. So we said that it's an important endocrine gland and secretes the hormones such as insulin and glucagon. Now we can write about the insulin importance also. So insulin helps in lowering blood glucose levels. Blood glucose levels. Blood glucose levels. And 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 what we can write, okay, it helps in lowering the blood glucose levels. Okay. And and next we write about yes, effect, yes, also, yeah, insulin helps in lowering the blood glucose levels. And presence of insulin presence of insulin is mm, important to absorb the the glucose by the cells. Okay. So presence of presence of insulin is important to absorb the glucose by the cells. Next, we write about even yeah, all ages. Yes, so we write that it affects the all age groups. It affects the all age groups. It affects the all age groups. So since it is very short sentence, we can remove here and convert this into a participle clause. Like diabetes is a is a metabolic disorder that causes high levels of blood sugars in individuals. Factors in important endocrine gland and secretes hormones such as insulin and glucagon. Okay, you can write that causes high levels of blood sugar in individuals of all ages. Of all ages. So we can convert into, we have converted that into the a prepositional phrases. So okay, prepositional phrase, we converted that into prepositional phrase. Okay, this is how we can write. So next we write about the chronic. We use the keyword chronic and medication. So now let's write about the chronic. So what is chronic? Okay, there are many forms of the diabetes, and few forms are chronic. Few forms are chronic. Few forms are chronic. Yes, few forms are chronic. So this is enough. Or you can write few forms are chronic um, that have that have the that have the effects for a long time. For a long time. So you can write it. Then medication. So regarding the medication, we can write that means we are writing about the treatment or therapy. Okay. Mm, though though the though the chemic though the drugs though the drugs are used though the drugs are used to lower the blood sugar levels, so the drugs are used to lower the blood sugar levels, the drugs not only have a, have a limited mm, performance, but also cause side effects. So causes, but also cause side effects. So next we write about the lifestyle changes. Uh, the lifestyle changes are considered to be an to be an effective to be considered an uh, effective treatment for the diabetes management. So this is how we can write in our own words, so that we can avoid the plagiarism. So you take the keywords from the text that you have copied, and then the write the write on your own words using those keywords. So in our previous video where I explained how to use different types of phrases and clauses to synthesize small sentences into big sentences, so you can you can edit here and there also. After writing in your own words, you can edit here and there to synthesize the sentences in very cohesive and proper sentences. Okay, thank you so much.